This is no ordinary seed. This magical acorn grows only for children with truly kind hearts. Now we wait. Real magic needs patience.
Don't worry, you're safe now.
Every kind act helps it grow. But kindness helps it grow.
I forgot my lunch today.
Every act of kindness makes it stronger. Kindness is making it stronger every day.
Kindness is the true magic.
This tree is extraordinary. I would like to buy it.
Some things are worth more than money.
Kindness always creates more kindness. Real magic is meant to be shared. A kind heart can inspire many kind hearts. Now the kindness belongs to all of you. Kindness never stops growing.